Hello, my dear kids. How are you all? Well, na? Very good. Yes, this is GK. Lesson number 13, page number 22 and 23. Wonder of the world. There are 7 wonders of the modern world that have a certain stories and the mysteries behind them. Here are given some clues. With the help of these clues, we have to find out that place name. Okay, so let's start from the first one number. This wonder was built by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan, where his wife Mumtaz is buried. We all are knowing this place. You can see this nice picture. What's the name of this picture? Taj Mahal. Yes, Taj Mahal. Now the second number you can see. First see the picture and let's start now second one. This wonder is an ancient amphitheater built in the 80 AD by Emperor Titus Vespasian. This is one kind of theater without roof. You can see the circle shape, that is called Colosseum. Now come to third number. Before that, see the picture and now come to the clues. This wonder is a popular tourist destination in Mexico. It is the largest city ever built by the Maya civilization. Have you knowing about the civilization? Yes. So its name is Chichen Itza. Now come to the next one, fourth one. Before that, see the picture. Now see, this wonder was built with dry stones, wall around 1450. It was declared a UNESCO World Heritage Site in 1983. The name is Machu Picchu. Now come to the next one point. Yes, you are very smart. You are knowing the answer also. Very good. Yes, now start fifth number. This wonder is a massive statue of Jesus Christ on the Corcovado mountain in Rio de Janeiro. It took 11 years to complete the statue. The name is Christ the Redeemer. Sorry. Now the next one. This picture and this is the clue. This wonder is a city which was unveiled to the Western world in 1812. Half of the city is covered into a huge rock. The answer is here, Petra. And now the 7 wonder, the last one wonder. This, yes, you can see many pictures also. Yes, you are very smart. Now before, let's start the clue. Here the clues are given. From here you can write your answer, which I told you now. So spelling mistake will be not created, and backside of that book answer is also given. Yes, start that 7th one and last one on chapter number 13 of chapter number 13 and page number on 22 and 23. 7 one. This wonder is a series of the fortified walls built using wood, stone and metal. It was built to protect the country from the invasion. Great Wall of China. Very nice. Now this is our lesson number 13, Wonder of the World, page number 22 and 23. I have explained this, told it is very easy. Please note down your textbook with pencil. And now come to our next chapter, lesson number 14, India and its neighbor. It's very easy. Some country's flag is given here, the country's capital and that currency and language we have to find out here. Okay, the first one start from the Nepal. Nepal's capital Kathmandu, currency Nepalian rupees, language Nepali. Then after Bhutan, Bhutan's capital Thimphu, currency Naguldam, language Dzongkha. Myanmar, Naypyidaw Kyat, currency Kyat, language Burmese. And Sri Lanka, capital Colombo, currency Sri Lankan rupees, language Sinhalese. China, Beijing, renminbi, Mandaria, language Mandaria, currency renminbi. Bangladesh, capital Dhaka, currency Taka, and language Bengali. Pakistan, country Pakistan, flag, you can see the flag, and capital Islamabad, currency rupees, language Urdu. This is very simple. Country name upside, then after each country's capital, currency and language, that is mentioned here. You can write from here also, and some are written here. Yes, some Kyat, write this carefully, Kyat, Kyat. Okay, that please see and complete this, and this revision do by yourself at your home, please. Okay, thank you, bye bye, see you, take care.